Know that you're already perfect. You may not see the whole picture yet, but your true nature is love. Let go of anything within you that doesn't match that energy. As love is your true self, any fear you allow within will make you feel sick, simply because it is the opposite of who you are. Do not feel guilty for the way you may feel right now, as it is part of the process. Allow your emotions to make your face, understand them, accept them, and let them go, so you can really see the beautiful and powerful being that you are. Much love and light.